I will show you how to make this text pop effect in DaVinci Resolve. Open Effects and then click on Titles, and then drag the text plus to the timeline. Now adjust the look of your text to your liking, and then open the Fusion tab. Press Shift and Space and then search Transform, and then add Transform XF. Now hold Shift and then drag the Transform node in between the two other nodes. Now make sure you're at the first frame, and in the inspector, keyframe size. Now set the size to around 0.8, and then move forward 3 frames, and then increase it to 1.1. Move forward 3 frames again, and then set it to 1. And we now got this text pop. To make it look even better, open Spline and then check Transform. Now press the Zoom to Fit button to see your keyframes. To highlight all the keyframes, press Ctrl and A or Command and A on Mac. Then right click, Ease, and then select In and Out Cubic. This looks way better than before. Under the transform settings, you can also add motion blur. And we have now created this text pop-in effect.